Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your YouTube view account directly in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to streamlabs.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Now, if you've already connected your YouTube account to Streamlabs, you can skip the next few steps. But if you haven't linked your YouTube account yet, you'll need to follow along with this setup process to make sure everything works properly. In the upper right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Account Settings. This will take you to your account configuration page where you can manage all your platform connections. Next, click on Platforms. This section is where you'll connect all your streaming accounts to Streamlabs. Look for YouTube in the list of available platforms. Right beside it, you'll see a button that says Merge. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to log in with your Google account, so enter your information and then wait a few seconds for the page to load. The system needs a moment to verify your account and establish the connection between Streamlabs and YouTube. Once that's done, you'll see a Continue button appear on your screen. Click on it to proceed. Then, you'll need to click Continue one more time to finalize the connection. Now that your YouTube account is successfully linked to Streamlabs, you're ready to add the View Account widget to OBS. In the left sidebar of Streamlabs, click on All Widgets. This will open up the widgets library, where you can access various overlays and tools for your stream. Now, you'll need to locate the search bar on the right side of the page. Click on the search bar and type View Account, then click on View Account from the search results that appear. This widget is specifically designed to display your live view account in real time. Navigate to General Settings. Below it, you'll see a checkbox beside YouTube. Make sure to check this box so the widget pulls data from your YouTube stream rather than other platforms. Now, look for the widget URL section. Click to copy widget URL, then select Copy from the options. This URL is what you'll use to embed the view account into OBS, so make sure it's copied correctly. Now, switch over to your OBS application. In the upper left corner, click on Docs. Then select Custom Browser Docs from the menu. A new window will pop up where you can configure your custom doc. Enter your doc name in the designated field. For example, you might name it YouTube Viewer. Right beside it, you'll see a URL section. Paste the URL link you copied earlier from Streamlabs into this field. Once you've entered both the name and the URL, click Apply. Your YouTube View account will now appear as a doc within OBS, giving you real-time insight into how many people are watching your stream. And that's it! You've successfully added a YouTube View account to OBS Studio. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.